The 12 panels with scenes from the life of the Virgin are the pictorial elements preserved of the high altarpiece of the parish of Santa Maria in Verdú. Found from 1432 and 1434 are two documents conserved that referred to donations given for the making of this high altarpiece. The work was started by the sculptor Pere, who completed perhaps the lower part, which is still preserved in the church, and it was continued by Jaume Ferrer, a painter from Lleida, active during the second phase of Gothic period. The Verdú altarpiece is a work from Jaume Ferrer's youth, in which we can already observe the characteristic traits of the second phase of International Gothic, especially regarding the detail with which the exterior landscapes in the backgrounds of the panels are described and the meticulousness and richness of the interior scenes. These innovations from the new period can be appreciated in the scene of the Annunciation, where Jaume Ferrer paints the objects in the Virgin's scriptorium, seeking the effect of depth given by the light casting their shadows behind. The exquisite way that he paints the clothing of the Magi in the scene of the Epiphany is far removed from the sobriety of the Italian Gothic world of Siena in the Trecento, and brings it closer to the Flemish world's liking for detail, as well as to the luxurious fashion prevailing in Florence and the European courts of the time. The art of this period also shows a special taste for genre scenes, such as the flight into Egypt, which depicts the image of a poor family moving with a background that devotes particular attention to the reproduction of the landscape and the anecdotal events.